Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marni binti Mara. You can call me Marni. I am 6th semester at University Muhammadiyah Bone, especially English department. This time I will presentation my material about compound nouns. It is with nouns that compounding really comes into its own as a word forming process in English. Examples can be found with each of the other main word classes supplying the left-hand element. Verb noun. Examples: swear word, drop, hammer, playtime. Noun. Hair net, mosquito net, butterfly net, hair restorer. Adjective noun. Blackboard, greenstone, fan heart. Preposition noun. In group, outpost, overcoat. The fact that hair restorer, butterfly net, and mosquito net are spelled with a space does not affect the fact that, from the grammatical point of view, they each constitute one complex word. Most of these are also right-headed. In fact, almost any pair of nouns can be juxtaposed in English, so as to form a compound or a phrase, provided that there is something that is compound or phrase called plausibly meant. The issue of meaning turns out to play an important part in distinguishing two kinds of noun-noun compound. Does each one have a precise interpretation that is clearly the most natural, on the basis of the meanings of their two components? For hair restorer, the answer is surely yes. It is most naturally denotes a substance for restoring hair growth. On the other hand, for hair net, butterfly net, and mosquito net, the answer is less clear. The difference in precision with which we can interpret hair restorer on the one hand and hair net on the other hinges on the fact that restore in hair restorer is derived from a verb, restore. Verbs, unlike most nouns and adjectives, impose expectations and requirements on the noun phrase that accompany them in the sentence. For present purpose, what matters is that when the head of a noun compound is derived from a verb, as restorer is the most natural way to interpret the whole compound is quite precise. The first element expresses the object argument of the verb, that is, the person or thing that undergoes the action. For example, an X restorer, whatever X is, something or someone that restores X. Here are some more compounds whose second element is derived from a verb: signwriter, slum clearance, crime prevention, wish fulfillment. Let us call a noun compound like hair net or mosquito net, in which the right hand noun is not derived from a verb, and whose interpretation is therefore not precisely predictable on a purely linguistic basis, primary or root compound. Let us call noun compound like hair restorer or slum clearance, in which the first element is interpreted as the object of the verb contained within the second, a secondary or verbal compound. Yet another term sometimes used is syntactic compound. Paradoxically, then, although verbs are relatively rare as elements in compounds in English, the swear word pattern is usual. Verbal compounds, in the sense just defined, are common. So this is my presentation about compound nouns. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.